Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Kids, today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. Stay with us. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. The next one is M, N, O, P, Q, R. Stay with us. Now we're writing alphabets A to R. Geranium color. Now we open the color of geranium and writing the alphabet of A. A. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat. Kids, the next one is D. Exactly. Stay with us. E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. Now we're writing the alphabet of G. And the next one is yes. H. Exactly. I. Stay with us. The next one is J. Yes. K. L for lion, L for lemon. Now we're writing the alphabet of M. Yes, M for mango. And the next one is N. N for nose. P. The next one is P. Now we're writing the alphabet of Q. And the next one is R. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Yes, bye-bye.